Let me ask you a question. Who loves pizza? Do you like pizza? Yeah! You guys like pizza?
Yeah!
We're gonna make a pizza that the kids are gonna love and some pizza that the adults are gonna love. Yes! How about a round of applause for Miss Carrie? Yes. Oh, that looks great.
Toppings.
That looks outstanding. Just working it over there, Carrie?
You know, it's like driving a go-kart. You go round and round and round, right?
Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. I think we need a little help out here. You know, we are doing some for kids, aren't we?
This is fun, right?
Aren't we doing for some kids?
Yeah.
What about you, son? You want to make some pizza?
Sure.
Come on up here. Come on up here. How about a round of applause for Jesse, huh? Helping us out. Why don't you wash your hands right there, man? I don't know what you've been doing out there. Can't be making pizza, no, washing your hands. There you go. Right there, soap right there. Come on over here. Here's a towel for you. There you go. Wash them nice and dry, otherwise you're gonna get that all over the place.
Okay, Jesse, there's your pizza dough.
Carrie, you handle him, okay? I'm gonna tell you about our ingredients right here. We got some mozzarella. Look at that. Kids love mozzarella. When you ask for cheese pizza, that's what's on your pizza right there. You like that? Oh, yeah.
Oh, what, flour in
Who
your
doesn't
hands?
like that? Mozzarella cheese. A little tomato sauce, huh? Pretty simple. Kids are gonna love that. Now, for the adults, we're gonna go a little bit further. Some peaches here for you. Look at those, huh? Do those look beautiful?
Try one, they're amazing.
Oh, yeah.
It's insane.
Here you go, brother. I'm gonna help you out. You may like that. Just open your mouth. Yeah, you almost got me. Jesse's hungry.
Just gotta push that down.
Look at this pesto. I think all the adults like a little pesto on their pizza. Camazzola, it's
Kind of
beautiful.
like a brie and blue cheese together.
Yeah, you can see that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So good.
Is that beautiful? That'll go awesome. That's our cheese. That's our mozzarella. Huh? You gonna like that?
It's okay.
How you doing there, Jesse?
He's doing pretty good. He's
Doing pretty
gotta
good?
just Flatten it out. So now we've got some beautiful flat doughs, all kind of even.
Oil that up, and then we're gonna go over to the barbecue. Carrie, if you could continue oiling those for me. Nicely done. How about it for Jesse, huh? Yeah! Oh! On the grill, boss. Because we can't have any pizzas sticking to our grill, can we? Down grill, right there.
No.
Oh, geez, Carrie, scared me. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna test our grill. We need medium-high heat here, and that's 5 steamboats. Can y'all count with me? Let's go. 1 steamboat, 2 steamboats, 3 steamboats, 4 steamboats, 5 steamboats. That's perfect. Just right for these pizza doughs. You look like a football after I'm through with this. Back to front. Oh, that one's better. Gauge your pizza dough. Let's say about a minute to 2 minutes either side. Be ready to flip. Oh, geez, there's Miss Charlotte now. Hey, the whole team's coming to see me. Thank you very much. Did a wonderful job. Thank you. This is fun. Telling you, I'm having a blast. Y'all having a blast? Yeah! We are there. Oh, nice. Nice. That's what I'm talking about, the oohs and ahs. I love oohs and ahs. Okay, I get it started right away. Lay down these kids' pizzas, some tomato sauce. Get busy, gotta work fast, kind of part of the fun. You're kind of under the gun, because you don't want burnt pizza. A little mozzarella. Kids, you like the mozzarella? Yeah! Lay it down. Oh, that looks good. Now, the adult pizzas. A little pesto. Gonna paste that on there. Pine nuts, basil, and garlic. That's what that consists of. Oh, man, that looks good. Not gonna skimp on that either. And now, some peaches. Throw them on there. Oh, yeah. Healthy, summertime food. Gorgeous. Got a fried peach right there. Here we go. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, Camazzola. Oh, yeah. How good is that, huh? A lot of fun out here. Why not? Summertime, outdoors, cooking pizza on the barbecue. I'm gonna close this lid. Working fast. I give that probably about 30 seconds, and those bad boys will be ready to take it off the grill. We're so close to eating, guys, I can taste it. That's exactly what we're gonna do in about 30 seconds' time. You ready to peek? Yeah. Let's do this. Oh, huh? Little love there. Oh, beautiful. Oh, kids, I think you're gonna be happy. Oh, adults, I think you're gonna be even happier. Oh, is that gorgeous?